I sometimes hear when drivers see cyclists riding three abreast or side by side that they're holding the drivers up. Don't forget the cyclists have got as much right on the road as us drivers. This is how we can deal with them. We're not going to go round these yet. You're staring at them, going towards them though, aren't you?
Yeah.
Look at the space. Okay. Not really, no. No, it's, well, look what it's done. Is it protected her and the kids a little bit?
Yes.
It certainly has.
Yeah.
We haven't had room to go past just because they're holding a car up. That's sort of, and look at what a good decision that was. Make sense? If there's not enough room, look at the room. I think there's enough, isn't there? You're staring at them. Good. Well done. Nice job. All good. Quite simply, have some patience. Wait till there is plenty of space to get past, or just wait another 20 seconds of your life.